Tell me if that's down or not. That was not down. That was down. Just check your alignment. That was up. Did you feel it? It's not about better yet. It's about you feeling it, because it's under the gun that we're trying to take care of this, right?
Yeah, basically that was it. You know how you get in?
Foot up or down? Way up. Okay, next one, go down. Tug it down, without a doubt, is flat-footed. Okay, so let's look at that.